After this class, please don't tell me you don't know how to sew a shirt. This is the easiest way to sew your shirt. So that part which I brought out for the button allowance, I'll be folding it in like this. Please, it's easier to weave before folding it, but because I didn't weave, I'll be folding it this way. After folding the first part, then I'll go in by some part of the fabric also and still fold it in. But the easiest way is to weave, which you just fold it once, after which I'll proceed to my sewing machine to stitch that part which I folded. I'll do this to this part and to the other part of the shirt. Remember, the front part is into two, and after folding this part, I'll fold the other part also. So it's after this tutorial you should be able to sew a shirt. And remember, a shirt is something everybody should know every tailor should know how to sew, because you can use many fabrics and then achieve a shirt and wear it to almost every occasion. So after folding you can see what I have neatly sewn. So this is for the button space. So after this, I'll just proceed to join the shoulders. Do you understand? This is the front part. I'll get the back parts, join the two shoulders for this part and then the other parts. Any questions, just drop them on my comment section. I'll be there to answer you. So this is the second part. I'll just join the shoulder. So after this is the sleeve parts which I brought out. So I'm trying to just fold it. So this is the hand. So this is the down of the sleeve. I'll fold it. After folding this hand, I want to join it to the fabric. That's the shirt. I'll get the midpoint of the shoulder for the shirt, for the part where I will be joining the hand, and then the midpoint of the hand. I notched both sides. I notched the hand, so I will know the midpoint of the hand. Then I'll just quickly join it to the shoulder of the shirt, as you can see. I'll be sewing this with just 1/2 inch, which is the allowance I brought out. So after sewing this part, I'll go sew the other part, not the other part of the hand though, that same hand. Remember, I started from the midpoint, so I sewed from the midpoint to the end, then the other part of the midpoint to the end. I hope you understand. So after stitching this, then this is the hand. After stitching this side, then I'll attach the other side of the shoulder too and the hand. I'll attach the other, do the same thing I did here to the other part of the sleeve, joining the sleeve and then the shoulder together. Do you understand? So on my own hand, the tip of the hand, the down sleeve, I'll be attaching these fringes just for, just for more beauty. So you can feel free to design your shirt anyhow you deem fit. You understand? But the process of sewing a shirt, this particular shirt, is same thing. There are other types of shirts, so I think I'll be doing more tutorials on maybe at least other types of shirts. But for now, this is the one I'm sewing. So after this, I'm trying to remove the allowance. I will not be attaching the fringes to the allowance. So once I bring out the round sleeve, what I used for the allowance I brought, I'll just mark it. So that's where the fringes will be starting and ending. You understand? I don't want it to enter into the shaping. So I'll just sew this to attach it. I'm sewing it. So after attaching this, I'm done. I'll just okay, I want to attach it again because I don't want to hear a story where it will start falling off. So after this, I'll just shape. Do you understand? I'll just fold it. So this is what you can see. Please look closely. That allowance, from that allowance, I'll be shaping down to all allowance, down to the, remember I've joined the the sleeve to the shoulder, to the armhole. Do you understand? So I'll just shape from here down, straight down to the end of the shirt. with this video, I am convinced that you should be able to sew a shirt. Remember, the cutting part of this tutorial is on my channel, so just feel free to go watch the cut where I cut this shirt before coming to the sewing part. Do you understand? This is the part 2 of this tutorial. So I'll just sew down. So this is the end of that's where the shoulder and the armhole and the sleeve met. So I'll just sew down, continue and sew down to the end of the shirt. So after sewing down to the end of the shirt, I'll do this to the other part of the shirt. You get it? This same thing you saw here, I'll do it to the other part of the shirt, the other sleeve. You understand? Attach the sleeve, attach the fringes and shape down to the end of the shirt. So this is literally what I did here. So I'll just go and weave this. So I'm done weaving. So the next part now, after joining the other sleeve, is to attach the collar. Please, a tutorial of where I did is on my channel on when I did a detailed tutorial of how to cut is a collar is on my channel. Feel free to go watch it. Then you come back, attach your collar. So watch closely, see what I'm doing. So please do not forget, I have a tutorial for the collar on my channel. Go watch it so that you know how I achieved this collar here. Do you understand? I don't want this video to be too long, so this is exactly how I'm attaching this collar. So watch carefully. So please, in attaching your collar, always make sure the midpoint meets so that you don't really get stressed while fixing this. You understand? This material I'm using is Dolce, which is really soft. You understand? It can easily misbehave. So please take note of everything. Then always pin down your collar. You understand? Your pin will really help you go a long way. So after this, just go do your buttonhole. You understand? And then your shirt is ready. Your shirt is ready.